The new certificate here at UNK we've been offering since 2016 is the Alcohol and Drug Counseling Graduate Certificate, and it allows for graduate students and people who have a master's degree to get the education necessary to become an alcohol and drug counselor. It's a sequence of 3 courses, and then the final piece is a practicum training, which people do out in the field. And so we help students be able to find a placement where they can do that practical training, and any of the then coursework related to that is in online. And so it really takes about a year for students to finish that whole program, the whole certificate. And we can provide the education, in an online format, which is easy to access from anywhere, and then place them in places close to where they live in order to get that practical training. And so it's really convenient. It's kind of where you are at, where you live, and where you work in order to complete the certificate. Students should select this program for a variety of different reasons. Number one, we are an accredited program, and so that indicates quality standard of instruction. And we also, all of our professors and instructors are licensed and working in the field. And so they have a high level of experience and knowledge that they can share with the students. And there's also a lot of hands-on learning within this program. And so not only in the field, but in the classroom, in the online classroom, we do a lot of interactive things where people learn and practice the skills from people doing the actual work. In the state of Nebraska, we are experiencing a major shortage in behavioral health care providers kind of across the board. There are very few alcohol and drug counselors out there who are what we would call dually licensed. So the dual licensure gives them many opportunities to work in many different places, all the way from hospital settings, treatment facility settings, private practice. There's all kind of opportunities that they would have in order to build their own practice. Once they've graduated with their master's program and they've completed the certificate, they're eligible immediately for that license. And so that's a little bit different than some other programs because we provide that clinical experience in addition to the learning experience in the classroom. And that those things can be put on resumes. Even if they don't want to go for the license, they have a certificate that says they're certified in a specialized area. And that specialized area of alcohol and drug counseling is really seen as a kind of the gold standard in behavioral health care because you're able to work and treat a wide variety of clients from a holistic viewpoint.